All right, it's Wednesday, March 27th. I'm buying some NVDA 915 puts here at 1876. This is on the big red bar that's forming. I've kind of been watching it all day. Had that big start to the downside here, right at that 900 area, which seems to be a key level that I'll show you in a minute that, is kind of an inflection point. And it bounced around. It never really took out the low of the day on this next move down and then came up, took out some liquidity, and then we're getting the big red bar here. So I'm going to look for it to go below 900. And then once we can follow through, on this bar, obviously. And then once we do that, we can be getting to the low of the day. I think in the big picture here, we have a kind of a big trading range, which is taking out liquidity to the upside. And when it kind of goes below 900, then it sort of works down to the 860, 850 area to the bottom of that range. That's what's unfolding here on a weekly failure chart. We had the little, hammer bar last week green. We expected those highs to be tested. We went up there and then we came back through the open yesterday, and then we obviously followed through today. So on the 2 down day, we took out some targets here, key 900 area. That's where it's pausing, but it's definitely a 2 down day, and it looks more and more in the bigger picture that we're kind of making a higher high in here and working down towards the bottom of the range again. And then on this particular day, I see after these 3 big bars down, I'm waiting for a secondary move kind of to take out that low of the day, and this looks to be the bar that could start that right here. So if we could kind of follow through on this bar, get below that psychological 900, that gets you to possibly the low of the day, the 890s, and again, that could start working down towards the 850s. So we will see if that unfolds here, buying some puts right here on NVIDIA.